Microscopy, chapter number 2, इंट्रोडक्शन। ठीक है, माइक्रोस्कोपी में माइक्रो यार गर्मी हो रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा। माइक्रो organism are extremely small, are extremely small, ये बहुत ज़्यादा छोटे होते हैं। The size of bacteria, fungi and parasite, the size of bacteria, fungi and parasites is expressed in micrometer. So 1 micrometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 millimeter. Clear? Whereas viruses are measured in nanometer. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 micrometer. Now coming to the bacteria. Most of the bacteria of medical importance generally measure 0.2 से लेकर के 1.5 micrometer in diameter and about 3 to 5 micrometer in length. Bacteria. Most of the bacteria of medical importance generally measures 0.2 से लेकर के 1.5 micrometer in diameter and about 3 से लेकर के 5 micrometer in length. Now coming to the viruses. The majority of human pathogenic viruses ranges the majority of The human pathogenic pathogenic viruses range 20 से लेकर के 300 nanometer in diameter. Parasite. Parasite. They are greatly vary in their size. They are greatly vary in their size. Protozoans protozoans measure in micrometer, and helminths range from few millimeter to several meters. Now, fungi. Fungi. Most fungi grow as hyphae, which are cylindrical thread-like structure, structure 2 से लेकर के 10 माइक्रोमीटर in diameter and up to several centimeter in length. Some fungi grow as yeast. Some fungi grow as yeast. Round to oval unicellular budding cell of 4 से लेकर के 8 माइक्रोमीटर in size. Micrometer in size. Some parasite, some parasite such as adult form of helminths, helminths are visible to naked eye. Naked eye, whereas whereas rest of microorganisms, whereas rest of microorganisms due to their small size cannot be seen cannot be seen distinctly distinctly with with the unaided eye with the unaided eye, but need a microscope for their visualization, but need a microscope for their visualization. Most bacteria, parasite, fungi can be observed by light microscope. Most bacteria, parasite and fungi can be observed by light microscope can be observed by light microscopes can be observed by light microscope, whereas viruses need an electron microscope, whereas viruses need an electron microscope. Therefore, it is important to understand the principle and the functioning of each microscope. Microscopy refers to the use of a instrument specialized instrument called microscope to view objects, to view objects and area of objects that cannot be seen with the naked eye. With the naked eye. There are various type of microscopes. There are various types of microscopes that are used in diagnostic microbiology. Various type of microscopes that are used in diagnostic microbiology. So what are they? Number one, bright field microscope. Number one, ब्राइट फील्ड और इसे बोला जाता है लाइट माइक्रोस्कोप। लाइट माइक्रोस्कोप। नंबर टू, डार्क फील्ड और डार्क ग्राउंड माइक्रोस्कोप। डार्क फील्ड और इसे बोला जाता है डार्क ग्राउंड माइक्रोस्कोप्स। फेज कंट्रास्ट माइक्रोस्कोप। नंबर थ्री, फेज कंट्रास्ट माइक्रोस्कोप। फेज कंट्रास्ट माइक्रोस्कोप। फ्लोरोसेंस माइक्रोस्कोप। FLU फ्लोरोसेंस। SCENCE फ्लोरोसेंस माइक्रोस्कोप्स। उसके बाद इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप्स। प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ए माइक्रोस्कोप्स। प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ए माइक्रोस्कोप्स। Properties of a microscope. A good microscope should have at least three properties. A good microscope should have at least three properties. What are they? Good resolution. Number one, good resolution. Resolution or resolving power. Resolution or resolving power refers to refers to the ability to produce separate image of a closely placed object closely placed object so that they can be distinguished 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 as two separate entities. The resolution power of the resolution power of unaided human eye is about 0.2 मिलीमीटर, जो कि आपका 200 माइक्रोमीटर होता है. Light microscope is about 0.2 micrometer. Light microscope is about 0.2 micrometer. Electron microscope is about 0.5 nanometer. Resolution depends on refractive index of the medium. Resolution depends on refractive index of the medium. Oil has a higher refractive index than air. Oil has a higher refractive index than air. Hence, use of oil enhances the resolution power of a microscope. सेकेंड नंबर पर जो आएगा वो होगा गुड कंट्रास्ट. गुड कंट्रास्ट. गुड कंट्रास्ट. गुड कंट्रास्ट. This can further be improved by staining the specimen. This can further be improved by staining the specimen. When the स्टेन्स बाइंड टू द सेल, जब स्टेन बाइंड करता है सेल के साथ, द कंट्रास्ट इज increased. Now नंबर थर्ड पर है गुड मैग्निफिकेशन। गुड मैग्निफिकेशन, गुड मैग्निफिकेशन, this is achieved by the use of a convex lenses. This is achieved by the use of a convex lenses. हाँ जाऊँ। सो आज के वीडियो में इतना ही, फिर मिलते हैं किसी अगले इंटरेस्टिंग स्टडी विद मी ब्लॉग के साथ। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।